Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix stuttering in EA Sports FC 25. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now if you're having this issue here with your game and you're wondering how do you actually fix this issue? Well, in this case, we need to learn more why you are having this issue first. So you are having this issue here because of the actual capabilities of your PC. So meaning, for example, if you're running a game that actually exceeds the capabilities of your PC, this will actually slow down or stutter the actual game. So the best and the straightforward solution that we could do here is to basically reduce the quality of the game itself. So just to take example, you could go ahead and open up EAFC here, and you want to go ahead and basically turn, in this case, reduce the quality itself. So for example, you might want to set the grass quality, crowd quality, cloud quality, and ambient occlusion quality here to low. You might also want to change the rendering quality here to medium or a lot lower if you can, and basically reduce the quality itself. So you might also want to turn off the strand base hair to make your game a lot faster. So in this case, once you've set that up, you want to go ahead and save your settings here, and from then on, restart the game and see if that solves the issue. Now, another thing that you could do here is to basically adjust how your PC actually looks like, because depending on how your PC looks like animations that you see on Windows, this will still affect the look of the game itself. Now in this case, if you have like a wallpaper engine like what I have right now, I suggest you to turn that off or uninstall it and see if it actually improves the quality. Now another option here that I like doing is you want to go to search at the bottom left here, just type in performance, and from here you want to go ahead and click on adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Now from here, it should give you this performance option window here, and go ahead and click on the option that says adjust for best performance. Now once you've done that, click on apply and OK, and it will actually disable a lot of unnecessary effects like fade ins and fades out, some animations that you see here. But in this case, this will in turn actually speeds up your computer, and hopefully this will remove or fix your problem with the stuttering in EA Sports. In this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.